Okay, the video stopped at the end of number 7, so I'm going to go ahead and begin with problem number 8. Again, is it possible to form a triangle with the given side lengths, and explain your reasoning? So we're going to use a triangle inequality theorem, which means the sum of any two sides has to be bigger than the third side. So I need to write my three inequalities using the variations of sides. So 6 plus 9 has to be greater than 15. 6 plus 15 has to be greater than 9. And 9 plus 15 has to be greater than 6. Okay. Now in the first inequality, 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 is not greater than 15. Okay. Therefore, these three side lengths cannot form a triangle because the two numbers cannot be equal. The sum must be greater than the length of the third side. So even if one of the three inequalities is not true, then those three side lengths cannot form a triangle. Okay, let's look at problem numbers 9 and 10. In number 9, we are going to compare the measure of angle ACB and the measure of angle GDE. So the first thing I did is I found angle ACB, and I identified this as angle C. And angle GDE, middle letter is D. Okay, so I'm referring to angle D. Now, what do I notice in my picture? Side BC and side DE both have a length of 4. They're congruent. And side AC and side DG both have a length of 5. Those two sides are congruent. So what's happening is I am going to be looking at the third side, AB and GE. Okay. Now, angle C is across from side AB, which has a length of 3.2. And angle D is across from side GE, which has a length of 3. Since 3.2 is bigger than 3, then angle C is going to be greater than angle D. In problem number 10, I'm going to compare side JL with side KM. Again, what do I notice in my picture? I know side JK is congruent to side LM, and the two triangles have a shared side, LK, so those sides are congruent as well. So again, I'm comparing that third side, and I'm going to use the angles across from those sides. So the angle across from side JL is 47, and the angle across from side KM is 81. Since 47 is smaller than 81, then side JL is less than side KM. Okay? This is the hinge theorem. So when you have two sides of one triangle congruent to two sides of another triangle, we can use the included angles and the sides opposite to compare the measures of the third side.